Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Happy Halloween Eve. Today, the culinary expedition, we are in Yemen. Today, I'm going to be preparing saltah. Saltah is a beloved national dish of Yemen, steeped in rich history and cultural significance. This hearty stew is a staple of Yemeni cuisine, originating from the capital city of Sana'a. With roots dating back centuries, saltah has become an integral part of Yemeni culture and tradition. While the core ingredients of saltah remain the same, regional variations exist. Some recipes may include additional spices or ingredients such as okra or other vegetables. Let's get to the mise en place. Today's recipe starts with onion, and then garlic, eggplant, zucchini, kidney beans. Here we have cumin, coriander, green cardamom, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Then we'll add some vegetable broth. And then fenugreek leaves. Okay, I've got the oil hot in my saute pan. I'm going to add the onion. And the garlic. And add a little bit of salt. And black pepper. The onions and garlic are looking really good. Now I'm going to add the eggplant and the zucchini. We're going to saute these for a few minutes. Eggplant and zucchini are looking yummy. Now we're going to add the kidney beans and all the spices. I'm just going to give them a real quick twirl. I'm going to give these a quick stir. We want the spices to bloom. Smelling good. Now we're going to add the vegetable broth. We're going to turn up the heat. Give it a good stir. I'm going to give it one last dose of salt. And one last dose of pepper. We'll stir that in. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. And there we go on the boil. Then after the boil, we're going to take it down to a simmer, a low simmer, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to cover it. And then this will simmer from 20 to 30 minutes. The saltah has simmered for about 25 minutes. Let's take a look. Yummy. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to add the fenugreek leaves. I'm going to stir those in. And then we're going to simmer for about another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes since we've added the fenugreek leaves. Let's check on it. Fenugreek definitely has a distinct aroma. I think we're all set. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of saltah from Yemen, a traditional Yemenese stew. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show and the culinary expedition. If you like this recipe and you'd like to find it and many more, you can find it on the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, culinary inspired t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.